This was an idea last year. I said I wanted to do a van meet, and it's happened. This is what it looks like when two friends on YouTube can't afford a sports mobile Quigley conversion. This is what we have right here. And then as soon as this guy pulls up, I'm like, man, I think I need bigger tires now. 285s on that, mine's stock 245s. I think I might go 265 because I want to keep 15 miles per gallon at least. And then this guy's just a pretend van meet guy. See, you could be this guy right here if someone else joins us. That could be you, this guy right here. So let's go ahead and pan out here. This is Holdfast's van right here. We'll do a tour of his van when we get to our campground. I think I'm gonna go with this thumbnail right here so it looks like there's three of us. Maybe this person will come out right now and be like, where you guys going? Let's do it. So there it is, two lifted vans. But if you want to join us, you don't need a lifted van. Just be a good citizen. You're free to join us next time. This won't be the last van meet.